Hey traders, quick update on HBAR. HBAR is down about 14% this week, now trading around $0.087. So the big question is this a dip buying opportunity or more downside coming? If buyers step in, we could see a bounce. But if selling pressure continues, this might not be the bottom yet. Stay smart, watch the volume, and don't rush in. What do you think? Rebound or more drop? HBAR crypto trading signals are in, solid targets just dropped. Check our Patreon page, link in the description and comments. Watch our full price analysis in the video. Don't forget to comment and share. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.